Your new blog. There's a couple things to do to get started. The first space we're going to explore is the Settings panel. Click on Settings, and then go to General. In the General panel, you're going to want to change your site title to something closer to the title of your blog, as opposed to just being the first bit of the URL. In this case, we'll change this here. Tagline as well can be changed. And then your email address, which you should change to align with the first class email address that you have. Time zone, we'll change that to Toronto. And then we're going to save those changes. Next step, we're going to go into the writing panel. And in writing, we're just going to make sure that the XML RPC settings are checkmarked. This will allow us to be able to post from mobile devices like an iPad, an iPod, or an iPhone, and then save those settings as well. In the discussion panel, you're going to want to make a couple changes. Depending on how you're going to use your blog, you may not want to allow people to comment on new articles. You may want people to comment. Down here at the bottom, before a comment appears, you either want to approve them once and then allow them access to your blog, or potentially, depending on your audience, approve every comment before it appears on your blog. And save those changes. Under privacy, again, depending on your audience, you're going to want to be available to Google, or you're going to want to be private based on some of these other settings. Take a look. Figure out which settings apply best to the role of your site, and then save changes. In order to create content, go into the Posts folder and click Add New. You'll also notice up in the toolbar here the ability to add new post from this space as well. Give that post a title. Import or upload any media from this button here. Write your text here. And then be sure to tag your blog based on the theme of the post that you've written. If you were a student traveling to Vietnam, you might want to ensure that all of your blog posts are tagged Vietnam. What this inevitably will do for you is on a separate blog on the Commons called Tags, you'll see that a collection of all of the tags used across all of the blogs on the Commons appear in this cloud, allowing us then to click on the Vietnam tag and follow along with all of the posts on all of the different students' blogs. Once you've completed the text, the photos, the tags, click on Publish, and the post will appear on the front of your website. Taking a look at your website for a second, by going up to the top toolbar here and clicking on Visit Site, you'll notice that as a default, there's a theme here. You may want to change that theme. You come up here and go to Customize. You can choose a different theme, customizing the tagline, the colors, the header image, which is this picture up here, or potentially, under Themes, you can choose a different theme entirely and customize that theme from there.